Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to archive all emails in Gmail. Friends, due to some reason if you want to archive all emails in your Gmail account, then you can very easily do it by opening your Gmail account in web browser. Now in your Gmail account, click on this box. Now it has selected all the emails available on this page. Now to select all the emails received in your inbox, like in my case there is 7019 emails. So to select all emails you need to click on select all conversations. Now I have selected all 7900 emails. Now to archive all these emails I simply need to click on this archive icon. Now it will ask for a confirmation. Click on OK to confirm. Now friends, as you can see, there is no email in my inbox and it has successfully archived all the emails. Now to see your archived emails, you need to click on all mails and here you will find all the emails. So friends, like this you can very easily archive all emails in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.